So in front of me I've got WIKO U Pulse. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for File Manager app. Enter it, and thanks to File Manager, you've got access to your phone storage and browse. In Browse you can check your pictures, music, videos, documents, apps and zips. Also you can check the total space of the storage. In the end you can go to FTP function. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.